Good morning everybody and welcome to this short video. In this video, how to get a job in Greece within 48 hours. In case you don't know me, my name is Patrick. I have my own recruiting agency here in Greece where I specialize in finding jobs for candidates who want to work in Greece in their own native language. So whenever I tell candidates that I can get them actually hired within 48 hours, they always look like me like they see water burning. Now, I thought maybe it's good to explain it a little bit more on how I mean it when I say I can get you a job. I can get you hired for a job in Greece with one of our fantastic clients within 48 hours. Now, from the moment that somebody applies, automatically my system, what I'm using to the recruitment, it will send you an email with an invitation for a meeting. The moment that you set up, that you schedule, let's say, your own short online meeting with me, the system will also send you a link for a language test. I always like to think that that is something, the speed of this, it's something that my agency is different in than in other agencies. At least that is something that most of my candidates are saying. So to make the test before your meeting with me, it's not mandatory. However, one, it does speed up the process, and two, it does show that you as a candidate you're really motivated. This test will actually test your native language, so the language that you are applying for, your English, and how quickly you can type. In case somebody doesn't do this test, we cannot proceed because the test is mandatory for all jobs that we have. However, if you make the test before we have the meeting, so the meeting that you actually as a candidate you scheduled, if you make this test before and the test results are good, then you're already almost in. So as final point of this video, let's talk a little bit about the short online meeting with me. There's no need to be nervous. I don't bite most of the time. The meeting is just for me. Look, for me as a recruiter, it's my job to make sure that you have the correct project, the best job that fits your needs and your experience. This is basically it. I make sure that you have the right job and that you are set to go to have the interview with the client. So when all pieces of the puzzle fall together, I am sure that when I am finished with the meeting and you have done the test, that you will ace also the interview with my client. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck and see you next time. Ciao.